What's up, guys? Today we are going to be reviewing the Touch Times Kraken V3 clone I got from AliExpress. First time this is an unboxing, and yeah, let's see this. Okay, let's look at what we got. You get some extras. I don't know what that is. What is that? Scent pins? I don't know. Get some extra screws. Get this pretty cheap cloth and this kraken V3. I don't even know why I said that. Wow. Okay. Wow, that is beautiful. Okay, I will compare this to a regular balisong. Okay, that is pretty nice. Do some testing. That's the blade. That's the Kraken. Has amazing texture. I really like that. It's not too. It's really grippy, but it's not too grippy. See the inside, the sides. This is the blade, which is pretty nice. Honestly, it is pretty nice. Really crappy bag, but it's a bag, so I can't complain. But for now, let me put that down. Just a sec. Let me bring out my balisong case. It's actually right next to me. I just need to. There we go. This is the Kraken. And this is the box, right? So let's compare it to the Vault. I think it's the most similar since it has a black blade. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty close. It's a darker blade. You can see it's a little bit longer, I'm pretty sure, than the Vault or a regular balisong. This is a clone, so I don't really know how quality it is, but almost no tap, right? Nothing. Play. It's pretty good quality for like, how much was it? $15. Like, look at that. Touch Times is like a cheaper thing, so the materials are probably way cheaper, but you know what? It's cool. I like it, and I am happy with it. You know, it looks pretty nice. It is. Let me clean it off. This case. It is pretty oil. I think it's oil, or that's just how the blade is. But I wouldn't. What was that? I don't really know. I think this is a Kraken V3, but I think the blade is like a, I forgot what it's called. I think Bowie. I think. I don't know. But yeah, look. It's decent sound. I got purple because I didn't really have that color, but let's see if it fits actually. It's a little bit thicker, I think. So, oh wow, that's like a full size blade. There we go. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger. And that top part is like weird. It's very big. But yeah. So pretty nice. I like it. Honestly, I think it's really cool for the amount of money that it costs. And yeah. enjoy it. I think it's nice, and I think you'll enjoy it. Probably do a follow-up video, but yeah. You can see the blade, you can see it runs on Zen pins with a channel construction. As let's see the jumping. Decent jumping, but yeah. So that is the Kraken V3 touch times clone. It's pretty nice, but yeah. If you want more videos, then subscribe and see you next time.